Okay, so I have this package, and I'm okay. Does this give you all of them? So we're gonna update this because right now it's. I think I did vibe code another one of this, but I want to do a final like this is it because I want it to be good. So let's just see, what does this do? Did it not run? What? Oh. Okay, so let's just do C new TG transcript grabber. Okay, and let's put this into vids.txt. I don't even know what it's gonna put out, but hopefully it does something. Okay, cool. And so, all right, there's about 500 public videos on the channel. So now, right? Does it not have a, okay, there we go. Oh wow, they have a whole sponsor block thing. That's kind of interesting. Let's start at the top. I know there's a lot, but it's not that much. Do not extract the videos of a playlist, only list them. What does that mean? Let's do this. Is that what it's called? No flat. Wow, this is actually pretty long. Oh wow, you can do that. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, network options, we probably don't need to do much of. Item spec. Oh, I see. 1 to 3, comma 7, and then -5 to 2. I don't know what the double colon is. I think that's just how they parse it. But is that a step? I guess that's a step. Okay. So you get 1 through 3, 7, 5. Oh, that's pretty interesting, but we don't need that. Download only videos uploaded on this date. Oh, interesting. Oh, date after? Honestly? Okay, so let me just write down the things that, so YouTube DLP flags. So there's date after, which maybe we can just record the date at which we did our last thing. So just record last grab. Or we just re-grab all IDs and cross-reference. If, for instance, let's see, um, so this one's not that good, but basically, let me just get a, actually, wait, hold on. If I go to Shorts and I copy the link to this, if I did this, except instead I did this. Oh wait, so if I change the ID here, it should just resolve. So I don't actually have to worry about that, right? Interestingly, it goes to a like different view page. It doesn't show the UI, but which is kind of funny, but that's fine. So it doesn't actually matter how you format that video thing. So this is kind of all you need. What is it called? Is it called streams? I think it's called stream. Streams, videos, shorts will work formatted as okay. So what's the next step? Yeah, we got to do this in like 1 hour. So, okay, so let's just keep reading this then. Paths where the file should be downloaded. Specify the output template. This seems interesting. Clean info JSON. Remove some internal metadata such as file names from the info. I don't think that's important. Retrieve video comments. Oh yeah, we do want that. Actually, do we want that? The comments are fetched even without this option if the extraction is known to be quick. Oh, we probably just want right thumbnail. So what is this one called? This double dash right dash comments. And then right info JSON. Right thumbnail. I don't know if I really want the thumbnails. Internet shortcut links. Write an internet shortcut file depending on the platform. That's strange. I've never even heard of that before. Ooh, there's simulate. That's interesting actually. We should probably Um, if you don't have the metadata and you haven't tried to get it before, then okay, so here's what I'm thinking. So we have a command bro. Oh my god, that's insane. We want to do is create a main CSV that stores a row for each of these IDs, as well as, let's see, a column for the path to the meta, what is it called, .info.json file, empty if nothing returned. Then additionally a column for previously tried to grab metadata or something like that, so we know which ones to skip in the future. All right, something like that. And then, so then basically, you know, it's gonna be like IDs backslash like non-empty metadata path. So if the metadata path is no, or yeah, is empty metadata path. I'm gonna probably put and oh yeah, I'm so bad at it's been a long time. And not tried to grab. So these are the two grab IDs. Then let's keep reading the flags to see what else we might want to look at. Quiet but print JSON information. I don't think that that's what we want, right? Write info JSON. Write auto subs. Okay, we need to get to the subs part. Um, okay, so we probably do want verbose. Write subs. Is that going to be all of them? I don't know what that means. Write auto subs. I think they have another one though. I'm not doing all that. That looks really interesting, but I want my own thing, kind of. That's pretty sweet, though. That's actually dope. But where is the documentation for YouTube DLP? Just a Discord. Where's the documentation? Is this the documentation? Just this one thing? I don't feel embarrassed asking this. I think it's just this pages thing. That seems weird, but okay. So if we just search up, then what is it called? Sub. Oh wait, that's not gonna work. This maybe. It's just their wiki. Okay. Find a page. What the fuck? So we should try. That's psychotic. This is terrible. What are the formats? Oh, wow, dude. GitHub, you have to sign in to search the code? What the hell is that? That's insane. So what does this do? Can we just get a video? All right, so let me just get links. We got to change this theme. This theme sucks. That's a little better. Okay, whatever. At least it has the colors. Okay. So a video is going to be this is a true video. Yeah, I think we can just do this. And stream. Okay, so now we have those. There's no single, bro, what? Instead there are two layers. List subs URL. Oh yeah, okay, we need to do that. So let's list the subtitles for this video. Bro, what? I forgot, how do you copy from this thing? Do you do, it's like, I think it's that. Did I do it? Nice, okay. Okay. Just for my future reference. Okay, so this is kind of the full list. Available automatic captions. And that's it, right? Has no subtitles. It only has auto subtitles. Okay, checks out. That's good. Luxembourgish, dude? Should we just do this whole project in Luxembourgish? English original. What is the difference between these two? Oh, really? Wait, is that true? We need to find a video that has, actually, okay, wait, I want to try that. So, So let's go to most popular. So this is stream with chat comments. Okay, so what the hell? All right, so if I do list subs on this video, wait, really? Wait, what? Wait. Wait, is it remove? Oh shit, okay. Live chat, but that's it? See, now that's interesting actually. Jeez, that's something to do for later. If the list subs ID had live chat, that's interesting. This one only had live chat. But wait, actually, can we double check that that's actually the case? Because I feel like this does have, interestingly, for some reason it doesn't have transcripts. I wonder why that is. That doesn't really make sense to me.
All right.
These ones have transcripts. So wait, let me try this one. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, so okay, so let me just write that down. So note that the live chat subtitle is an actual subtitle, not an auto sub. They are different, or they are like listed differently. All right, good stuff. I will be bright and strong. Dash P? We didn't even do dash P. Where's dash P? Match case. Paths. Okay. And dash A. We need a batch file for sure, I think. I mean, maybe we don't need a batch file. I don't know. be running home. All right, good. So, okay. So what is the next thing to do? Is we kind of just want to try this out. So one thing that I wanted to check is what does write subs do? Does write subs just do like all of them? So wait, this is probably the best one because this has. So hold on, this has stream with chat and auto subs. So this is kind of the best one. So what we want to do is, I just want to do list subs. What if we just do write subs? What does it do? Oh wait, we need to what's it called? Skip download. It's a new line separated. I think that this was me. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Okay. So I don't really know what this is. I don't think we want this. So let me just say. So, oh wait, we don't even need to deal with that crap anymore. Wait, what happened? Where is this? Oh, I think what happened is, there we go. Write subs is not. Because it's grabbing the non-auto zones. Okay. Hey, we should be able to close this now. All right, so I think we're good. I wonder if what if we do YouTube DLP, write comments, skip download. Oops. Oh shit. So does this only, what is this going to be now? It's still 8,000 lines long. It's kind of insane. Most of this stuff is this. Yes, it's insane how much metadata they go into. It's fine. And then thumbnails is a huge bit of it too. Okay, formats. Oh, formats is fucking huge too. Yeah, so I think my table is going to have, the ID has metadata or metadata path. Then it's going to have the, we're going to do the captions later. Right now I'm just going to make something with duration, media type, duration, media type, release timestamp. Yeah, so there's automatic captions and subtitles. So automatic captions is kind of the thing. Wait, what's the difference between timestamp and release timestamp? Is it the difference? Let's just do this. This minus this, 18,095. It has a release timestamp. I mean, the thing is, this we're going to store. We just want... Yeah, we kind of don't even want... It has release timestamp, it has timestamp, and it has epoch. What are the difference? Okay. Wait, where did the comments go though? Write comments. Are there actually comments on the video? Oh, there's no video. Okay, so wait, we need to find a video with comments. Maybe this has comments. Therefore, the Laplace transform is a linear. The Laplace transform is a linear. Shut up, nerd. Find infinitely many. There's never any comments, but I am curious. Like, we gotta find one with comments. Does this one have comments? Does this have comments? Why don't we use a short that definitely has comments? All right, a short has comments. So let's do this. So this one, short, has comments, has video comments. So let's try this. So wait, can we comments? Okay, so the comments are, but if I do, so now if I want to do this, I want to just write, I think it's just called write info JSON, and then let's just do -o write info JSON no write comments.info.json. I don't know. So I just want to see if there's a difference. So I want to take this file and do a compare. Because they should be almost identical. The diff algorithm, that's insane. I think it's because the lines were too long. I think that this will probably be faster. There, you see, I knew it. Okay, the user agent. That's kind of funny that the user agent is different. That doesn't really make any sense. That's also random that there's noise in the available at. Or maybe that's a I don't even know what that is. So there's no comment, but then... Oh, okay. So we definitely always want write comments. We always want this. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to make a file with the whatever. So we're going to do, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it really doesn't matter too much. So what I want to do is I want to write YouTube. So first, okay, so what I want to do is YouTube DLP, yeah, write info JSON, write comments, -v, write thumbnail. Actually, wait, can we just do a singular write thumbnail? Skip download, write thumbnail. What is that going to do? Where is it going to put that? Oh, okay, so it's going to save a WebP in here. Okay, cool. Okay, so we probably do want that, even though it's not really that important. But that's fine. Okay, so flags that we definitely want. So we want write comments. We want write info JSON, skip download, write thumbnail. We can do the sorting after because the file names should be identical. So that's all good. Dash probably. And then what was the -p thing? Oh, I closed it. Okay, wait. The paths where the files should be downloaded. Okay, wait. All right, so let's just see what happens. Let's delete this, and we're in temp, and I want to do YouTube DLP write comments, write info JSON, skip download verbose. And what I want to do is I want to do -a. Wait, and instead of -a, I want to do batch file containing okay. It's gonna be ///urls.txt. So this is without -p, and I'm guessing that it should just write it into if -p not provided in conjunction with --batch file. Let's see what happens. the output is using the default output template and written to current directory. So now let's try this again. I'm going to delete this. And actually, well, it's fine. Okay, we're going to do this again. We're going to go cd dot dot. We're going to write this comment again. And we're going to go dash dash. Actually, wait, I want to ask. So I think I'm like 15 minutes from being done. All I need to do is start writing the Rust code, which is going to wrap all of these commands. And I'm pretty much just going to ask chat to do that. The only thing is that we need to keep track of which let me get some water. If you want, what YouTube auto generated from the spoken English no translation layer? Oh, this is what I want. So I want, but I think that if I just do write auto subs, oh really? Okay, wait, let me read the other thing because the other thing is also important. Okay. Since you only want to change the directory and keep the default naming, you should use -p. Yes. Okay, cool. Um, okay. So let's try this. So I don't know why I didn't just try it at the beginning. So we have, first off, we need this to be like this dot paths temp. And I think that should do it, right? All right, so this is pretty much the command that we want. Is there actually a new line in there? That's weird. Okay. Okay, so now we can start thinking about the command line program. So tg update um, okay, we don't have time for this, but I do want to, so let me just delete all of this. This is everything, right? This should be called ids.txt. Then we should just delete all of this. Okay, so I want to see if this will work. I'm guessing that this doesn't work, but let's see. Actually, we can put it here. Ah, here. Okay, so let me just finish this thing. So here's what we want to do. Um, oh yeah, did we ever check um, what does no flat mean? I don't know what that means. Wait, this is gonna take forever, right? Actually, is it? Actually, I don't think it will. Well, let me cancel this. Um, Bro, I hate that YouTube does this, man. It's like, if you're gonna do this, can you at least make it? Let me just write. What would I want to say? I'm gonna copy this log thing. Oh, you know what? I didn't do skip download, I think. Is there anything in here? Sure. Okay. I don't even know what this is. Now that our path is updated, we need to restart code. Okay, I think we should just keep pressing ahead and not care about the no flat thing. So wait, actually, but do I even need that? What if I just do this? Oh my God. Oh wait, actually it shouldn't even be called no flat. Wait, what? Do I have to? Oh, this is so slow. Okay, so I'm still getting it. Why am I still getting it? Oh, wow, Dino's written in Rust. That's great. But this is fine. I'm fine with this. But But I thought like what happened because I thought like this one was insanely fast. Maybe a new version. No, see that is insanely fast. That's amazing. Right? That's very fast. There's something about like the no flat or something like that that so wait, for so we should say sounds good. Is this the Rick Roll video? I feel like it might be. What video is this? It's crazy, bro. It's always the Rick Roll video, dude. I love, dude. It's so funny. That's crazy. It always is. You can count on it. This is a dumb rabbit hole. I don't even think we need it. So let's just go back to writing the prompt. So, metadata pattern last metadata attempt. So you run like, yeah, TG update IDs. That will then run something like to get all of my channel video IDs. This we can hard code in channel. We then want to compare the IDs we have with the list in the main CSV. If for for all of the IDs that don't that have empty metadata path, and 2 all a non-empty last metadata attempt date. We want to then make a temp file YouTube DLP batch file with these IDs, URLs, and run and then we want -p Okay, that's should be pretty clear. We are getting closer. Oh, really? If you didn't want default, but you would think that default is the default. Is that a real file? What? Oh, nice. All right, cool. I think that's good. All right, so okay. Oh yeah, okay. I'm kind of down to just do this. Nice. That's a good choice. That's exactly what I would do. That's great. That's great. IDs from channel, fetch channel IDs. So did we write that already? Okay, good. So not yet. Let me copy it in, and then we can see. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. So wait, we're gonna delete everything. I'm just gonna go like this. Just so we don't delete anything. Okay. That's amazing, dude. That's amazing, bro. I love coding nowadays, dude. All right, so we're just gonna wait for this to run. It formatted it just with the ID, no title. But yeah, the title's in there, so I'm actually fine with that design decision. That's totally chill with me. It's honestly better. So all we need is basically duration, and we're just going to once we have all these, basically we're just going to does it say how many? It doesn't say how many. This is probably everything, though. This isn't just videos for sure. Nice. Now we kind of just need to see if the CSV is going to work out. We got the Dino working. We got all that stuff working, which is nice. Let's read the code instead of just like waiting for it. All right, let me read main. Main seems chill. Match seal. Okay. Or empty never try. Empty if not yet fetched or failed. Yeah. Okay, let me read this. Update IDs flow. Okay, so we get the IDs. That's good. We load the CSV. That's great. So actually, this is probably already overflowed, is it not? Yeah, that's so annoying. I need to increase that. I have the RAM to increase it. I don't know why I didn't. I'm gonna do that. Let me see. Workbench. Terminal. History. Oh yeah, 100, bro. What? Wait, used commands. No. That's not what I'm interested in. Oh, they have a standard. Oh wow, I didn't even know about that. Because this is not what I'm talking about. Scroll back. It probably hasn't updated quite yet, but yeah, 1,000 is nothing. Even 10,000 is pretty small. Merge. Ensure we have a row for every ID. Rows. Map. Where's the map? This is the map of string to row. Row.id. Yeah, okay. Then for or insert string new. Okay, that makes sense. DB now tracks. Okay, cool. I like that. Dude, I like its code, bro. It's like pretty sensible. IDs to download. It's the values filter is empty dot map. This here any okay, so we just keep check. I mean, I don't even care. Like once you've filtered the stuff that already has it, it's like you're 90% of the way there. I mean, not really because there's so many missing, but you're like maybe like 75% of the way there. I feel like so that's fine. Sort dedupe. They shouldn't need any deduplication, but that's okay. IDs to download is empty. No, okay, that's great. That's never gonna happen. I let mute out rows. Vec map into the collect. So the map got mutated, right? Map filter. Wait. I don't know. It's probably right. Oh yeah, it is right because that's what we want. Where do we actually... Oh yeah. This is only in the empty case. Okay. All right, we need these. Run YouTube DLP, run metadata download. Run... Bro, writing code in this day and age is fucking awesome. You just say what you want, man. It's amazing. It's literally amazing, man. We're in the freaking future, dude. Update DB with new metadata path. Update DB with new metadata path plus last metadata attempt. Okay, so yeah, so you grab the ID info.json. If info path is file, string velocity into owned. If the file doesn't exist, keep the metadata path empty, but we still record last metadata attempt so we know we've tried. Say out rows, map into values, sort by, compare, save DB. Bro, this code is like... Think about how long this would have taken me, dude. It would have been garbage. This is so simple. We'll keep working on this because there's There's like a lot more to do with the transcripts. Like right now, it doesn't actually do any of the transcripts. It's just because I need to write my college application essays. I want to know how much content I have. We should have added a dot progress or a dash dash progress. I don't think that it knows that this is not how that works, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure that what I need to do is just do I wonder how long this is going to take. All right, wait, we should add the progress bar. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, boy. Let me see, is that exactly right? Nice. All right, cool. I'm going to keep it running, but it does seem like it's getting some of them. The thing is, we should be getting like this number should go to like 1,000 because if we have 590, I mean, it really should go to like 1,200. It's only rate limiting like some of them. But the thing is, Because are we getting all? Uh, Not all of them, but oh, we're getting. It's basically all of them at this point. Yeah, that's annoying. Bro, fucking YouTube, man. What the hell? So wait, I want to understand the code a little bit more. Wait, first off, what is this doing? So right now, the code runs this after for IDs and IDs to download. If let some, well, so this is always going to be true, pretty much. Last metadata attempt. Only if we So I think we should we should whoa, you can actually do that? That's actually so sick. Maybe. Yeah, see how sparse it got towards the end here. Nice. I think we should just do the. Let's do. Yeah, let's do just retries 10 then. I'm waiting. I'm down to wait a long time, but I'm not down to do infinite. So I think I'm just gonna do dash retries. The progress thing didn't. Oh, because of this probably. Um, I think that's it. Let's do 5. That's great, man. That's so fun. See, this is so smart, man. This thing is so freaking smart. Oh no, it's gonna print them. Oh my god. I hate this. Is that true? That's psycho, dude. Did I really spend that long on that? Oh wait, I messed that up. It's supposed to be like this. Really? Do I do this? Oh, that's the only one. I think that's the right order. Fuck, dude, that's so annoying. Did this finish? No. Wow. It's going to be way more than that. Once this thing finishes. I'm curious to know how many are missing metadata. It should be more than 1,000 hours. I feel like 1,000 hours was like at the beginning of this year. Maybe I have been slacking. I was trying to hit 2,000 this year, but I don't know what I'm at. Incredible. Okay, it updated. So let's look at the CSV then. Oh, baby. We got them all. We got them all. Okay, let's run it again then. Okay, we didn't quite make it to 2,000. Yeah, you'd have to stream 5 hours a day. Or so 6 or so, which is not terrible. But so the answer is about 1,600. Okay, so we can now add to the get ignore. We need to do a Nice. All right, that was fun, dude. That was really fun. Took maybe 2 hours. All right, it's time to write the essays. All right, we did it. It's funny. Maybe I should just do it on this stream because last time I did this, like a ton of people came in and it was kind of hectic. I think I'm just gonna ignore chat. I think I'm just gonna. All right, so that's it for right now. Yeah, 2 hours. That was productive.